Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos, and today I'm going to show you a glitch. Or basically just good luck. So, first of all, I went to my friend Letty's and so I can test my luck. So what you want to do is, if you start off as a new gamer, then you can always, do this type of glitch and you'll get your test on luck. Sometimes it doesn't work, but it takes time sometimes. So it's pretty simple. You just press that right in the middle, and then you let go of your mouse, and then see. Sometimes it doesn't work, but if I were not recording, it would be working right now. Like it would be working, but sometimes you have to do different colors and. I did like the same colors like each in a row, and then I got the, see? Now you guys heard you get a prize. Yep. You get a giraffe. Now if you tried on any other, let's say, if you try on any other like this one, like this, then you'll get luck. So just click this, and then you'll let go of your mouse. Just let it slide. I don't know if they got it. And no, I didn't get it. But guys, that's a glitch, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And good luck.